Dear students, today I am with you with a new lesson. Doctory learns about the Panchayat. In your previous classes, you have learned something about the Panchayat. So, what is a Panchayat? It is a local governing body. In Assamese, it is called Sthaniya Sayogyashakon Byabostha. In this lesson, you will learn about the aims, objectives, and the activities of a Panchayat with the help of dialogues. The word Panchayat is a Sanskrit word. It means Panch Gramin Pramukh. In English, it is called Village Council of the Five. There is no English terminology for the word. In Oxford Dictionary, the word is adopted as a word from Hindi. Now I am coming to your class. Take out lesson 4, page number 49. Here is a good conversation between a father and a daughter. Dog story, a girl of class 8 belongs to the missing community. She reads in Disangmukh Janajati High School. She calls her father as Babu. Her father takes her to school on a bicycle. She enjoys the ride as she gets to know many new things every day. Here the conversation goes.
Isn't that your Panchayat office, Babu?
Yes, my child. It has got a new signboard.
But what is a Panchayat, Babu?
Looking at the new signboard of Panchayat office, Daksari asks her father what is a Panchayat. Her father Konkimili tries to explain.
Long ago, Dr. Panchayat meant a system of governance by 5 elderly men called Panch Gramin Pramukh. Their word was the rule. There was no quarrel among the villagers, because they respected their grandparents.
You are not old and yet you are in the Panchayat.
You see, nowadays anyone who is about 21 can contest Panchayat elections. A Panchayat is the body that is responsible for the development of villages. The Panchayat is a very important institution for social change, you know. The Constitution of India grants power to the Panchayat to raise taxes, plan development schemes and work for local development.
पंचायती राज की खास बात लक्ष्य इसका ग्राम विकास जिसमें होती है सबकी भागीदारी।
पंचायती राज की खास बात लक्ष्य इसका ग्राम विकास निभाते सभी अपनी जिम्मेदारी।
क्या है जरूरी गांव के लिए मिलकर ये सब तय करें।
What kind of work do you do, father?
We build and repair rural roads, bridges, houses for the poor and so on.
Where do you get all the money from?
A good question. The Panchayat raises a little money from taxes on vehicles, river ghats, bazaars and meals etc.
Is that money enough to do so much work?
We get an annual grant from the Panchayat and Rural Development Department of the government. The local MLA or ministers can also contribute substantially, if they wish.
Why don't you build a house for poor Dhaniram Babu?
Oh, Dhaniram, the man with no legs. We did build a house for him last year, but he left it after his mother died. Differently abled people like him need help with their daily chores, you know.
Babu, please do something for the poor man. He spends the bitter cold December nights on the open veranda of our school building.
Don't worry, we are building a home for people with special needs like him, so that they can live with dignity. Young people like you should do volunteer work there, when you can. You will see how they learn to do their own chores, and also paint, read, play games and enjoy other hobbies. You will see how such people can lead normal, happy lives and learn to be independent.
Thank you, Babu. I will help you in the panchayat's work.
So students, you have got a very nice conversation between a father and a daughter and learned a lot about the panchayat. You can practice the dialogues at home with your brother or sister. Try some other short conversation with your friends. Imagine situation like this.
I think I have got a fever.
Do you feel very hot?
Yes, and I have been sweating a lot.
You'd better go to a doctor. It's a nice day, isn't it?
It's warm and sunny for a change.
I like this kind of weather.
I guess everyone does.
This will help you to acquire the skills of listening and speaking, and thus build up your self-confidence by speaking in English. Here is some exercises for you.